Welcome in living in the IT era. This is Anna Dina Jane Sedano from BS IT 1D. And now I am going to discuss the computer case or system unit and its component. This is the component that holds all of the parts to make up the computer system. It is usually designed in such a manner to make fitting a motherboard, wiring, and drives as easy as possible. Some are designed so well that it is easy to make everything look tidy and presentable. Computer cases rely on computer fans inside them to create proper airflow to keep all the internal cool and working reliably. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main board that is screwed directly inside the computer case. All other cards and everything else plugs directly into the motherboard since its name. A good motherboard offers a wide amount of connectivity options. It is also has a less amount of bottlenecks possible. This allows all the components to operate efficiently and to fulfill their maximum potentials as they were designed to do. Central Processing Unit or CPU. The CPU or Central Processing Unit is basically like the brain of computer system. It is processes all the information on a computational level. It takes all the processes from the RAM and processes them to perform the tasks required by the computer system. The Central Processing Unit usually seated in a socket that utilizes a level or a latch with a hinge plate with a cutout in the center to secure the CPU onto the motherboard. It has many copper pads underneath it for the socket contacts to push up against them to make electrical contact. Random Access Memory or RAM. This is a data storage device that can provide fast read and write access. RAM is volatile memory, meaning it loses all the stored data when power is lost. The RAM keeps data ready for the CPU to process. The RAM speed is a big contributor to the overall speed of a computer system. It plugs directly into a long slot that has contact on either side of the slot. It too has a clock speed just like a processor, so it can also be overclocked to deliver increased performance beyond the intended specification. Graphics card or graphics processing unit or GPU. It is an output device that processes the data from the motherboard and sends the appropriate information to the computer screen for display. You can connect monitors to it using HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, or VGA connectors. Graphic card has a GPU graphic processing unit. The main part of a computer system that requires cooling. A GPU is slower than a CPU, but it is designed to deal with a mathematical operation required for video rendering. Sound card. Most of the time, the sound chip built into the motherboard is used for audio output. But if you are a sound enthusiast or prefer a high quality audio output while playing a game, you might be inclined to use a sound card. A sound processing chip on the card does all of the audio processing and is usually not a very powerful processor. A sound card can offer a wide range of connectivity with various audio equipment. Hard disk drive or HDD. A hard drive still found in many pieces to this day. A mechanical drive's purpose is to store all your information for retrieval at any time. Apart from storing information to your computer, it also functions as a boot drive to run the operating system from it. You can install operating system of many different kinds depending on your needs. An OS is a software program that's installed, making a computer usable, like Microsoft Windows, for example. The biggest vulnerability of a mechanical drive is its physically fragile nature. Solid state drive or SSD. An SSD is also a type of hard drive, but it doesn't have any moving bits. It consists of a bank of flash memory that can hold a reasonable amount of information. While SSD are increasing in size all the time, they aren't cost effective for storing large amounts. SSD are available as 2.5-inch laptop encapsulated drives, and M.2 SSD is the most commonly used kind of the market.